Ashutosh, thank you for joining us on All About Ads Prime. Several people have talked about content marketing.
First of all, thanks for talking to me today. Content marketing, it's a concept, it's a strategy, it's a tactic where brands can use content to engage with their audience. And the way it works is it's not so much in the face advertising, it's more about sharing information, sharing trends which make your end audience either more productive, more successful, or give them some useful information. So content marketing has been there for many, many years. Now the type of content and the way to disseminate content has changed, but the core premise of content marketing still remains.
In real-time marketing, in that context, what do you think is the importance of really reaching out at the right place at the right time?
What's happening, businesses now have to market to consumers who are 24/7. So literally, I as a consumer, you as a consumer, when I have a need, I'll go online and check and find out more information. This has changed the buying cycle. The buying cycle has now changed to a point where you as a consumer will spend a lot of time by yourself researching, evaluating, analyzing what brands you need to engage with, what is that product you want to buy.
So everybody is familiar with LinkedIn. Anybody who has any professional connections or professional presence is on LinkedIn. Let me ask you this. How do you go ahead and brand yourself?
Now the profiles on LinkedIn are getting richer. You can put your own work there, like if you have talked in a conference, if you have made a keynote, you can put it on your profile. Second part is networking. So you want to now, you have created the identity, you want to take this identity to people to whom it matters. Networks there are multiple ways to build a network. One is my own peer set. I can be aspirational and build network with people whom I want to connect in future. True. And showcase again what I am and what do I want from them. True. And the third part of this whole professional identity is the knowledge bit, which is the sharing between peer to peer. So I as a professional want to tell people of what do I think about, what is my opinion, what am I reading today, what are the topics which are of interest to me, and in that network helps you reach out to the right set of people. It brings a little bit of virality of what you read goes to your network, then it goes to their networks. So when you think of professional branding, right, this is the platform we strongly believe where you can showcase your identity and really tell the world who you are as a professional.
Most of the people that are in your connections are not personally known to you. So when you talk about relationship building, it's largely an online relationship. Whenever I've got feedback from people who are headhunters, they've often said that despite whatever is there online, you still have to reach out and seek references offline. So it serves as almost like the first step to hiring only. Is that something that you have a feedback on, or do you feel that this is an unfair statement to make?
Whether you're selling B2C, B2B, you're hiring people, it's about two individuals connecting and finding out a common goal, a common mission, right? What LinkedIn helps you is to find the right set of people, be it hiring, be it marketing, be it sales. Our ability to have those identities online and use our data to reach out to the right people. There are certain aspects of any process, be it hiring, marketing, or sales, which is still driven by humans. You will still need to meet. We are not saying it takes away the human element at all, but it helps you, it makes you smarter, it makes you more productive.
How does LinkedIn really monetize? And what percentage would you say advertising is made of?
Talent Solutions is a SaaS product, it's a licensed product. Marketing Solutions, we have different ways to monetize. You have auction-based products, and also you have reservation-based products. And same is true for Sales Solutions, where you have a SaaS solution as well as Premium, which is more self-serve. You can go online and buy. Yeah. So those are the four ways we monetize. If you look at our revenues, advertising, which is a Marketing Solutions bit, is around 25 to 30% of our revenue.
And do you see that increasing in the years to come?
So we are very, very, very optimistic about this business for the future.
What are the trends that you're seeing?
So some of the trends, 2 or 3 which according to me are significant is with digital, the information is out there. It's available for consumers to use. How do you make an impact in that? So first of all, for businesses itself, you have to be present. You have to be always on to your consumers to engage with them. Second, for us, context is very important, right? And we are a professional network. So in that professional mindset, if you can engage with an affluent, young earning professional, then it's a success. So that second trend is context is very important. And third is, with mobiles, with information being accessed increasingly through mobiles and tablets, you have to be mobile ready with whatever solutions you are putting out to the consumers. And the fourth and last, which is our favorite, is content marketing. We strongly believe in it. It's a core part of our strategy. Content, delivering value to our members through content is going to be the future.
Very interesting insights. Thank you very much for joining us
Thank you so
on
much
the
for
show.
talking to me.